This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, a bit planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We're still at the Motor Expo in Bangkok and I just want to show you guys Denza Z9 GT. Yet another Chinese brand, but why don't we get these sexy cars in Europe? Well, I don't know, but it looks nice. It's like a sports sedan. I'm not sure what you should call this. It's launched like a fat Taycan. Oh, it's a bit crowded now. Oh, it seems like it has the GBT. They haven't ported it. Yeah, it's GBT. But it's just a public day, so I just have to squeeze myself in here in between the other guys. I didn't get here for the press. Oh, okay. Oh, the trunk is a bit small-ish. Wait, this is interesting. They have fridge. Wait, is that fridge? It looks like a fridge there. I recognize this. Now this is weird. Huh? What is this? Okay, but interesting trunk. It's like a Taycan-alike, right? Wait, huh? Not sure what the purpose of this is. You open the lid and there's nothing under it. But maybe not the biggest trunk. Okay. Yeah, all right. And then let me see. Is it available here? Okay, let me check it. Here, look at the front. Oh yeah, double glazed window. What about in the back here? Double glazed window there also. It's like premium stuff here, you see. Well, except for that, I'm not sure how practical it is. That seems to be the emergency door release there. That's the main door open. Oh, it has. Oh, I see. No, but it doesn't open. Oh, if I do this. No, it doesn't. Okay, it closes, but it doesn't open for you. Okay, so you see it has a bridge design there with one USB-A, one USB-C, a 12-volt outlet there. You can put your stuff there. Oh, it's a fridge. Of course, a fridge. Wow. That's one of my followers. He's like, oh, he met me over here. And then look at this. It has diamonds. Oh yeah, oh. You can click on it. Max 50 watt. Wow. Oh, okay. 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 They need the car, so we cannot show more of this. So unfortunately, okay. Unfortunately, we cannot show too much of it. That's a bummer. But on the other hand, there is just so many cars. Yeah, they need to show it. Yeah, but I can just show you briefly. It's just yet another Chinese sedan. Wow, 255 40 21 front. Yeah, see here. How good are the brakes? What about tracking? Or I don't know. But all right, at least I show you guys this. Let me see in the front. Oh, okay. I can feel the pressure here. Oh, it does, huh? That's weird. So the same here. You open it, but to close it, but it doesn't open like a Model X or a Mercedes. What is it called again? Yeah, but okay. Here, not the sportiest seats, but you have the okay. Let me sit and check out. Are these buttons? Seems like you're supposed to be able to press it. It's charging now. But you cannot fire up the car, right? Press the brake, nothing happens. This is weird though. I had to stretch really far to press the button and then it closes quite slow. Sending data to China. And then headroom here, well, as expected for a sedan, not that great. But I think you can open this. Okay, they are not operational because the car 12 volt is probably limited. Let's check out the back. Easy fix. Wait, how easy are the e-fix to locate? In some of these cars, they are really hard. Oh, no. You see here, you just do this. Yeah, we have Velcro there. Oh yeah, Daddy Bjørn approves. Finally, good easy-fix solution. And then it actually becomes nice and comfortable to sit in also. But then in the back here, how do you close it? Of course. Headroom here though, Well, it seems to be okay-ish. I'm still 173 centimeter. Maybe not a whole fist of headroom, but still okay. And then we have the center console here. It goes like this, and then this is the fridge. And then, is this a button? Are you supposed to do something here? And then here's the fridge. I mean, it can hold a couple of buttons, maybe. Maybe not champagne, but at least Coke, right? Or whatever you like. So, but then you can see that the seat is a bit flat. So when I'm sitting here, it's like it goes up a little bit. You know, I kind of want to maybe just stretch out like this, but not the best seating position because the battery eats up some height. And look at this makeup mirror here. What? Huh? I've never seen Audi car. Have they? Oh, wait. Ah, you have buttons above there and here. Okay, now he opened it, but okay, let me show you. I think you're supposed to press here to open. Oh, that's weird. That is really weird logic. Try again, huh? So you press this to open, and you press this to open and close the door. You see, above you, and then you press it again to open it, but it opens. Yeah, okay. It did. It had sensors. Seems like it opened half just because there are some obstacles. But this button here closes, but it doesn't open. It opens just barely. That's weird. Okay. Air vents here, speaker grill there. Oh yeah, Denza Z9 GT. The GT and the big brakes tells me that this is some kind of sports sedan. Also the lines there. But can it match a Taycan or even a Tesla? It has some cool features at least. Yeah. Will it ever come to Europe? Most likely not. And then how good would it be if I would test it? I mean, it's not like I hate Chinese brands, but it's just that the software needs to be good, the efficiency needs to be good, shouldn't be any bugs, and it should work well, right? But okay, anyway, there you guys have it, yet another Chinese car. That's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.